Good morning student. Student, today is your English reading test. You have to read lesson 2 Tia's Kitten in English Literature Reader Book. Only 2 paragraphs you have to read. And send an audio message in this group. Student, this is our English Literature Reader Book. This is lesson 2 Tia's Kitten in English Literature Reader Book, and you have to read this lesson from this line to this line. Tia looked at the clock. It was time to give her little kitten something to eat. She brought Kitty's saucer to her mother when it was filled with milk. Tia put it carefully on the floor. The kitten rushed to it and at once began lapping it up. Is not she clever, mother? Asked Tia as she seated herself on her small chair and watched the dainty way in which the kitten licked up every drop of milk that fell on her fur. She knows how to keep herself so clean and tidy. Mrs. Das was busy cooking. She looked at Tia. Yes, very clever. Listen, Tia, Mrs. James wants us both to visit her this afternoon and have tea.